Let's see how you can easily analyze images using AI and grab useful information from those images and send those information to a Google Sheet or any other CRMs as well. So here I'm in a demo account, and as you can see here, we have connected all the channels over here. So if you go to the flow section, here we have created a sample flow to analyze the image and capture all the information. So here this particular flow start with the first step, which is uploading the invoice image. So we are actually saving that particular reply in the image input field. So here you can see create new fields as you like and select specific inputs as well. Alright, so once the image is uploaded, we actually send that particular image to the OpenAI through an action, OpenAI action. So if you wonder how to create these actions, choose action, and here you can choose OpenAI over here, and here you have the option to analyze the image as well. Simple as that. So here that is the action I have right here. So let me delete this duplicate over here. So let me open that particular OpenAI action over here. So the image input which we previously received from the customer is the image. Here with the prompt, analyze the image, extract invoice information, return only a valid JSON object with the following structure with no additional text, comments or explanations. So here I want to get a JSON data from that specific image or the invoice, such as I want to get the invoice number, name, due date, shipping address, and also the total as well. And here I have added some important requirements as well. Return only the JSON, do not include markdown formatting or code blocks, use exactly the field names shown above. If a field cannot be found in the image, leave it as empty, and format the date, include the currency symbol in the total field. And here we are actually using GPT-4 Node Mini, and here we actually receive a response from the OpenAI and save this in the JSON data field. So you can actually create any fields as you like as well. So here we're actually saving in the JSON data right here. So here we have another action, get data from JSON, because previously we created a JSON file, JSON data, and using that particular JSON data we actually extracting the information such as invoice number, name, shipping address, due date, etc. to the exact custom fields here we have created on the system. So here we actually importing all these data from JSON to custom fields, and after that we actually send that particular custom field to a particular customer. So here we actually say thank you, full name, your details are as follows, and here these are the details right here. And what happens is that after we send that particular detail to a customer, we also assign that conversation to this particular agent. Here we are also sending that specific data to the Google Sheet as well. So here we have a Google Sheet action which says send data, invoice, customer data. So this is the Google Sheet where it has these columns: invoice number, name, shipping address, due date, and total. So we are actually sending all those information to the Google columns as well. So that's it. Let's see how to use this simple flow with Instagram comments automation. So let me go to the auto marketing over here, Instagram comments automation. So let me create a new one, and let me say is image, continue. So let's say all post and private reply to the comment. So private reply will be this particular flow, analyze images using AI, and public reply you can choose any sort of public replies or choose none as well if you don't want to add any sort of comment replies to a particular user's comment. And here you can add whatever the keyword you want to use to trigger this particular flow. So let's say if someone comments IMG, I want to trigger this flow, and let's add one public comment reply as saying send you a DM. And here you have more options as well. You can even delay this response as well. Let's save it right here. Also, it is important to activate this one as well. So now we can quickly test how this actually works. So here, keep in mind, this is the Instagram account connected right here. So let's share my screen and open a random post over here and add a comment. So here I added the comment right here, and it also says send your DM. So let me go to the DMs over here and see. We actually receive a message saying please upload your invoice. So let me upload the invoice right here. So this is the invoice I just uploaded. So here you can see the name is here, the address is here, and the invoice number and also due date along with the total 154.6 is here. So here we receive a response. Let me check this. It says thank you, John Smith. So if you check this particular invoice, the customer name is John Smith, and here the invoice number. So if you go to the image, the invoice number is here, due date is here, and the total is 154.06. so here we already received all these details. So now if we go to the Google Sheet over here, we should see all the information sent right here. So here invoice number, name, shipping address, due date, and the total. And if you go to the inbox, you can see This is the Instagram chat just happened right here, and as you can see here, conversation is assigned to Henry Allen as well. And as you can see here, you can find the address, due date, the invoice number, total, everything right here. And also the name is changed as John Smith because that is came from this particular invoice, which is John Smith. That's a quick video on how you can easily analyze images using AI. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.